Good day, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we'll be diving right into the video tutorial on how to install WordPress. On our last videos in our channels, we talked in the YouTube channel, we talked about choosing a name, buying a hosting, and a domain name, and we have done those, or we're actually waiting till we get started for we to do those. Okay. So we'll start by installing WordPress rather. So I told you after completing the purchase in this video, when I told you how to buy this domain name and hosting, I told you that Namecheap will send you an email with the login to your cPanel. Okay, they will send you an email with the login to your cPanel. So what do you do then next? You log into something like this, it will be cPanel. This is a client website. I don't use cPanel. I use something else because I do all my hosting on a dedicated server, a very big dedicated server. So and costly dedicated server. So you log into something like this. This is, we call this control panel. C means control. Okay, cPanel for short. You log into something like this. I'll show you the easiest way on how to install WordPress. So when you are logged in, everything must have been connected together. By the right hand side under primary domain, you see your website. Address name, and under it you see your shared IP address. That's why it's called a shared hosting account. Okay. So when you scroll down your cPanel, you scroll to the very bottom where you see WordPress under a label called Softaculous. You see WordPress. So what do? You click on WordPress. So once WordPress loads up, you click on, you can go over to read, but you just click on install now. When you click install now, it will pull out your website link, the directory it's installing in, and other things. Okay, so the most important thing you do is changing this HTTP to HTTPS. Okay, and selecting your domain name from the choose domain. You just select it. Okay, when you select, then the directory. Okay, if you leave here empty, it will install the WordPress in the root directory. That is when you visit your website, like your website.com/, WordPress will be installed there. But when you do something like you put a directory name, WordPress will now be installed in that directory. It is advised, since it's a fresh website, you put it in the root directory by leaving this in directory as empty. Okay, you scroll a little down, you see the site settings where you can choose your site name, the description on the WordPress end. So you can set all this inside the cPanel without going to WordPress. Note, this site setting can also be edited when you are fully installed WordPress. Then on the right hand side of the screen, you see something like the admin account. In this part, this is where you can set the username and password of your WordPress login. That is an admin. Make sure you use a strong password, and make sure you change the username from admin. You can change it to something else, maybe your nickname or your name or your brand name with some numbers in it. Okay, then this email, I would advise you change this email to your Gmail, because this is where they will send a copy of, I think, the username. Okay, and with this email you can be able to reset your password in case you are locked out. Make sure you use your Gmail, an active Gmail account. So this is pretty much everything. You don't have to choose a theme right here. Okay, we'll do all that in the following videos, in the coming videos rather. It's good you also put your email address under the under the email installation details too, in case you forget them. Then you go on to click install. Immediately you click install, the process is really simple. It would install WordPress for you automatically. It will take a few seconds, but ultimately, a few minutes rather, but ultimately it installs WordPress for you. In the coming video, we'll be talking about logging into your WordPress, how to install a theme, recommended theme I would like you to install, and we'll go over the rest part of the video. See you in the next.